Downloading your account data from Shopify is a straightforward process that allows you to keep a backup of your information or analyze your store's performance. Follow these steps to successfully download your data. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Begin by visiting the Shopify website and logging into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to access the data you want to download. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option in the bottom left corner of your Shopify admin dashboard. Click on it to access various settings related to your store. Step 3. Access account data. In the Settings menu, look for the Account or Data Export section. Click on this option to find the tools available for exporting your account data. Step 4. Choose Data to download. Select the specific data you want to download. This may include orders, customers, products, or other relevant information. Review the options and check the boxes for the data types you wish to export. Step 5. Initiate the download. After selecting the desired data, look for the Export or Download button. Click it, and Shopify will prepare your data for download. You may receive an email with a link to download the file, or it may download directly to your device. By following these steps, you can easily download your account data from Shopify. Regularly backing up your data is a good practice to ensure you have access to important information whenever needed.